If your Ford Ranger's 4x4 light isn't working, but everything else seems fine, you might be missing something simple. Here's how to get that light shining again, step by step. The 4x4 indicator light on your Ford Ranger is there to let you know when the four-wheel drive is engaged. When that light doesn't come on, it can mean a few different things, but most are quick to check. First, make sure your ignition is on and your transmission is in neutral or park. Try switching into 4x4 mode. If you don't see the light, listen for a click or a whirring sound under the vehicle. No sound? That could mean the transfer case motor isn't working, or there's a blown fuse. Check your owner's manual for the fuse box location. Look for the 4x4 or transfer case fuse. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same rating and try again. Still no light? It might be a loose connection behind the dashboard or a bad 4x4 switch. If the fuse is fine and you're hearing the transfer case engage, the issue is probably just the bulb or the dash wiring. That's when it's best to visit a mechanic unless you're handy with tools. Remember, if your 4x4 system works but the light doesn't, you're probably not stuck. But always double check before heading off-road. That's it. Quick, simple, and you're back on track. Like and subscribe for more Ford Ranger tips.